if you want a baby girl, you need to have unprotected 2 days before ovulation. If you want a baby boy, it means that you need to time when that particular woman is ovulating, conceiving a baby boy. So here is when and how you can conceive a baby boy or even a baby girl when you are having intercourse with your partner, all right? That is by basically knowing when exactly a woman is ovulating. So as a man, you need to know when your woman is ovulating. Or as a woman, you need to know when you are ovulating if you want to determine the gender of the baby that you are having, either a boy or a girl, all right? But this is something else that you need to consider, all right? As we know, it is the man that determines the gender of the baby, all right? And we also need to know that the woman's egg, all right, carries the XX chromosome, all right? And the man's sperms carries the XY chromosome. And therefore, if the woman's X, all right, meets the man's X, that is a baby girl, all right? And if a woman's X meets a man's Y, that is a baby boy. That was just to help you in understanding what exactly we are going to be looking at today, all right? So as you can see right here, I have written period. We are assuming that this particular woman is receiving their period for 5 days. So that is the period right there. Then right here, this is said to be the safe days, all right? That there are low chances of getting pregnant right here. But this particular place that is written danger, it means that there are high chances of getting pregnant right here. And this is where you need to focus or concentrate on if you want to determine the gender of your baby, all right? Therefore, if you want a baby girl, all right, assuming that this particular woman is ovulating on the 14th day, all right? Therefore, if you want a baby girl, you need to have unprotected 2 days before ovulation. So when you're talking about baby girl, remember we said it is the X chromosome, all right? And it is said that the X chromosome is very slow in terms of, that is the sperm that carries the X chromosome. It is very slow, but it lasts for long, all right? And therefore, if you want a baby girl, you need to do unprotected 2 days or 2 to 3 days before ovulation, all right? Now, if you want a baby boy, it means that you need to time when that particular woman is ovulating. And here is why. That is because the sperm that carries the Y chromosome is very fast, all right? But again, it dies very quickly, all right? And therefore, you need to time when this particular woman is ovulating so that this particular Y sperm, all right, goes and meets the egg, and therefore, fertilization will occur and you're going to get a baby boy. And these are the days right here, all right? Therefore, you need to have unprotected intercourse either when that particular woman is ovulating, or a day before that particular woman is ovulating, or a day after that particular woman is ovulating. Because again, the Y chromosome, all right, it stays in a woman's body for 12 to 24 hours. But for a baby girl, the X chromosome can stay in a woman's body for 3 to 5 days. As we said, the X chromosome does not die quickly, but the Y chromosome dies quickly. Therefore, the bottom line is you need to understand when you as a woman, you are ovulating. As a man also, you need to know when your woman is ovulating, all right? And basically, the X will meet the X and fertilization will occur, and that will be a girl. If the Y from the man's sperm meets the X from a woman's egg, that when they meet, fertilization occurs, and that will be a baby boy. So I hope that you've been able to understand. For everything that we've learned today, this was a study that was conducted by a physician and a researcher known as Shettle, all right? And it was found that this actually works. All right. So thank you so much for watching. Please make sure that you are sharing this particular video so that other people are also able to learn when they want to determine the gender of the baby that they are having.